Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to continue on in this kind of series that we're doing with Todd. So just like last week, we're going to go over the total cost of your fan and everything that kind of plays into that. So check out this video, let us know what you think. If you have some suggestions on future videos, something you'd like to see, let us know down in the comments below, and just make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great weekend.
Okay, folks, Courtney's kind of got me into this, and the segment that we are working on is your cheap fan really cheap. And when I say Courtney's got me into it, I think she's just drafted me to do some of these videos to give her a break because she's kind of tired of doing them every week. So maybe this will rejuvenate her just a little bit, and maybe it will show you a little bit more of what we think the value of Paul's fans really is. So I'm going to say this one more time. Is your cheap fan really cheap? If you'll notice behind me, this is just a part of our service fleet. These trucks are fully equipped. They're equipped with couplings and bearings and pullers, coupling pullers, anything that we think that we need when we get on your service job, we have in these trucks. So what does that mean to you? That means that in the event of a failure, that we have the fastest response time to any other fan or repair vendors that we know of in the ventilation world. We can handle mining fans, we can handle industrial fans, industrial fabrication, and also to go with our new line, which is PAC, which stands for Paul's Automation and Controls. We have the service and the capacity to help you with that as well. So is your cheap fan really cheap? I'm going to say that one more time. Is your cheap fan really cheap? You know, we have all of this available. You give us a call. If you're in an emergency situation, you give us a call and we'll show you the value of Paul's fans. Is your cheap fan really cheap? And continuing on that is we want to show you the extensive inventory that we have on bearings, fittings, adapters, bearing housings, shafts. You know, we in the mining world, if we sell you a fan, we have a part to fix it 24/7. There's no wait until Tuesday till the truck runs. At Paul's Fans, we have the parts, and we are working and we're striving very, very hard to get to that point with our industrial line of fans as well. If we sell you a fan, if we sell you an industrial fan, you have my promise that I'll do all that I can do to have in-stock parts, bearings, shafts, pulleys, couplings, motors that I'll have available for you 24/7. That's the value in Paul's Fans. So how about the company that you're presently buying your fans for? Do they have service technicians that's available 24/7? Do they have an inventory to back you up? Or are you required to have the inventory? We'll take care of that for you. Paul's Fans, check us out. Thank you.